Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download Telegram app. Let's begin with today's tutorial. Firstly, open your Google Play Store. Then after, at the bottom you can see search icon or magnifying icon, tap on it. Then search for Telegram. Then you can see its official Telegram app by Telegram FZLLC. So tap on install, then tap on it, then tap on install. Then after, make sure your internet connection is stable. From Telegram you will get different links to different websites. You can get many informations for free that you usually don't get on other Google or Chrome. So yeah, make sure your internet connection is stable. There you go, your Telegram app has been downloaded. So tap on open and then you can use your Telegram app. Then after, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.